How to make a quick profit by trading Bitcoin. Guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe and share. If you have any questions related to the video, you can mention it in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hello friends, welcome back to Crypto Baba. We are here with an update for Bitcoin. As we can see today, Bitcoin has fell from the daily start at about 6585 and now currently we are at 6369. Some important things to look here. The first is that we were expecting this retracement to go up till here, that is the 6900 level point, but we did not reach that point and we just fell off from the 6920 6820 6830 point. We fell sharply from there and currently we are at less than 6400. What this means is that we are going to test the support again at 6100, and which I think we should break because we have tested that support already 4 to 5 times, and once we break that support we will be heading down to make a new low. I am currently holding my short position in Bitcoin, and even at this price I would suggest if somebody wants to go short, they can go with a stop loss of 6500. Again, when we surge about 6500 we will get to short at a higher level, but I feel we are definitely not breaking 6900 anytime soon, and we are heading down and down. As the whole crypto market is going down, we should look for a short position. Taking a look at the coin market cap, the dominance is 53.5% and you should see this dominance increasing every day. Also, the volume of Tether is around 3.3 billion, which means that a lot of Tethers are being traded, and as per my understanding, the Bitcoin or Ethereum or Ripple are being sold for Tethers. So all in all, the institutional investors or the big whales are accumulating Tethers to buy Bitcoin at lower price levels, and we also have a sharp turn in the stock RSI which gives us a bearish signal. So guys, a good trade here would be to short below 6350, and you can keep the trade open, watch closely at 6100, and then the next support would be 5800. Thank you guys. I hope this is helpful. Again, just a quick reminder, this is not financial advice. This is just my understanding and recommendation to help everybody here. So this is not a financial advice. Risk is completely yours, so do your own research before trading. Thank you so much. We'll come back with a more detailed view on Bitcoin tomorrow. Happy trading.